Yeah, hello guys, welcome to CRYPTOMAP channel once again. In our previous video, we are analyzing this chart for you, and in the analysis, we tell you having this ascending triangle, and we have a possibility of breaking downward or breaking upward. And looking at it, it broke downward. We had a fake out downward before it broke upward. As we are always telling you that the only way you can manage a fake out is proper risk management and right trading psychology. Yeah, we had a fake out there before it now finally reversed to break upward. And looking at it, the moment it was breaking upward, it finally met up with a target of 43,500 US dollar. So looking at it, what is the expectation in this short time? Don't forget, we were telling you about these two critical moments to break for us to remain bullish again. Looking at it, to the glory of God, is breaking out of those 2 points presently. So we'll be telling what we'll be looking for even in the middle short time. It has broken out of these downtrend resistance points here, which we are always telling that is one of the points we are watching for. So looking at it again, we are also telling you about the point we are watching out for, which is this our previous support point, which now turned to resistance. So looking at it, we have a breakage out of these 2 points. So it's actually good for us even in immediate short term. Albeit there are also points we should also watch out for. Looking at it, what is the possible scenario and what is the next point we should be expecting? There is tendency that this coin drop down to retest this point, but before you go there, let's pull out our Fibonacci retracement tools to see what we should be expecting for in the middle short term. Looking at it, taking it from down low to the top, the point we should be watching out for next is this our 0.382 point, and looking at it, the point is around 46,800 US dollar, which is approximately 47,000. And looking at that place around 47,000, if you are blinking our horizontal trend line there, we know that we also have some significant movement around that point too. So we have something like a confluence there. Looking at it based on this our Fibonacci retracement, if you can look at it, we have market responding to it there, market responding to it there, market responding to it there. And if you also look at it, bringing it, we see a whole lot of consolidation point and the market responding to that place. If you look at it there, we have consolidation movement here, we have it consolidating around that same place. So the point we should watch out for even in this run in the immediate short term should be firstly around 46,800, 47,000 US dollar, which is also almost a confluence point with our 0.382 Fibonacci retracement point. So around 47 point, that is where we should be watching out for in the immediate short term. So presently there is something giving us concern in the chart. We were telling you about the CME future gap, so that it was creating. And don't forget, from the top we have been telling you something about this CME future gap. So and we were telling you that we are still expecting the chart to come and fill it around 32,000 US dollar, and it got to 69 and come down exactly and fill the gap to the exact dollar value. So there is something that is also happening presently. If you look at it on the CME future gap, we are having this gap at the bounce back of the cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, exactly around here. We're having this gap here, so it's point we should watch out for in the middle short time. So we should be expecting Bitcoin to bounce back to around 40,000 US dollar, around 40,000 US dollar or below. So albeit, don't forget, this thing, it might take months, it might take years, and it's not really a must that it come back there, that it comes back to around this region. But we are just telling that it's one of the region that personally we are watching out for. It's one of the region 40,000 or below 40,000. It's one of the region we are watching out for any moment. So it might take months. We are not telling that instantly or tomorrow is coming back here, but it's one of the point that is giving us concern in the market presently, albeit we are presently in a long trade. So another point we should also watch out for is this region. So we should watch out for this region. And why is it that very important? Let's change that color so that it won't look too clumsy. We can give it something like color green. Yeah, why is it very important and why are we considering that point? You can see the market always reacting to that point, looking at it, having a resistant there, having a resistant there. So if you are bringing it closer again, you have something like a support here. So and presently is touching the region. So we need a major breakout around that region for us to remain bullish even in the medium short term. Habit, don't forget the region we are watching out for next is 47,000 US dollar, but we have to have a daily candle close above this our main trend line. So thank you for always watching us on this channel. If you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends and loved ones. And as always, guys, Jesus Christ is Lord, and stay profitable.